Have you ever wondered how some brand new channels explode with millions of views almost overnight? What if one simple AI-powered idea could help you create adorable content that people instantly fall in love with? Today, I'm going to show you a unique and fast-growing niche that is capturing hearts across YouTube cute felt animal videos. These charming little characters, shown working, creating, and living tiny magical lives, attract millions of views because they are relaxing, heartwarming, and impossible to ignore. If you're looking for a creative opportunity with huge viral potential, this could be your perfect moment. Now, let's move forward and discover how you can use AI to create these adorable felt animal videos quickly and easily, even if you have no animation or design experience. Open ChatGPT and click on More. Then select Deep Research. Next, click Connect More. Choose Explore Apps, Open, GPTs, and search for Felt Animal Generator in the search bar. Click the options shown below and a pop-up window will appear. Select Start the Generator. After clicking Start the Generator, ChatGPT will suggest 10 different topics. Choose any topic number, and ChatGPT will instantly generate image prompts and video prompts related to that topic. You can use these prompts in Flow AI to create images and short videos. However, these suggested topics may already be used by many creators. For more unique and original content ideas, copy the professional master prompt provided in the description and paste it into ChatGPT. It will generate 10 exclusive felt animal video ideas. Select any topic number and provide your preferred aspect ratio. ChatGPT will then create detailed image and video prompts based on your chosen topic. To create multiple videos, simply select additional topic numbers. ChatGPT will continue generating new image and video prompts according to your requests. Copy the image prompt and use OpenArt AI to generate your image. Before generating, make sure to select your desired aspect ratio and image quality settings. Once your image is ready, download it from OpenArt AI and upload it to Flow AI. Then, paste the generated video prompt into Flow AI to create your video. By using our professionally designed prompts, you can create unique felt animal videos that stand out from other creators. In addition, our second master prompt allows you to generate equally engaging videos featuring birds and insects, giving you even more opportunities to create fresh and viral content. Every successful creator starts with a single opportunity, but only a few recognize it at the right time. If this video opened a new door for you, remember that my mission is to bring you the latest viral niches, powerful AI tools, and professional prompts completely free. Subscribe to the channel and become part of a community where growth is shared, knowledge is free, and success is made easier for every new creator.